D. Clock.
Anyone? From measuring cylinder, that is the correct answer. Fine. Good answer given by the students. Keep it up, everyone. Now next one, I would like to unmute next children. Randomly, I will unmute you. Densi Bhimani. Densi, represent your question in front of all.
Yes, sir. सर मैं fill in the blank पूछ सकती हूँ?
हाँ पूछ सकते हो. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks MCQ.
Okay, sir. When two substances mix together such as that they are winning, distribute or option soluble solution is the form.
एक ही ऑप्शन दिया है आपने. ऑप्शन तो ज्यादा देना चाहिए ना.
ऑप्शन
अगेन आप बोलिए.
soluble and solution.
Soluble and solution. What? पूरा फिलअप बोलिए. Question.
Okay, sir. When two substances mix together such that they are unique, distribute or is the form. Option soluble and solution.
Anyone? Let us see from the chat. Solution is the correct answer. Very good. That answer is already given by all the students. Fine. And Risha have given first. Keep it up, all of you. Now,
sir,
next to
another question.
पहले सबका टर्न आने दो बेटा. डेंसी.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ बेटा. एंजल नाउ. एंजल सबका टर्न आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Angel, represent your question.
Which of these would you use to measure short length? Kilometer, B centimeter, C liter, D kilogram.
Now, anyone? Now let us see in chat that who has given the right answer. Centimeter is the correct answer. Joy. And उसके पहले किसने दिया है? Joy has given the first, and then rest of the children also are right. Very good. Keep it up. Now next I would like to unmute Angel के बाद है head first. बोलो head.
Yes, sir.
बोलो बेटा.
How many seconds are there in an hour? A. 24, B. 60, C. 360, D. 3600.
Okay, let us see now. Who has given the first answer? एक आवर में कितनी सेकंड होती है? 3600. That is the correct answer. Fine. Manish Doshi. Very good. Give it to all the children. Now next, I would like to unmute Manish Doshi. Manish Doshi, represent your question in front of all.
Yes, sir. Which of these will help you measure how hot or cold an object is? Option: hourglass, thermometer, clock, weighing scale.
Then fourth option. Repeat the question, Manik.
Which of these will help you measure how hot or cold an object is? Option A. Hour. B. Thermometer. C. Clock. D. Weighting scale.
Okay, now let us see. Who has given answer? Thermometer is the correct answer. टेम्परेचर नापने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? Thermometer. That is the correct answer. That already given by the children. Fine answer. Very good. And first दिया है Trisha Thoria ने. And keep it up. Fine. Now next one, I would like to unmute next children with Sorathia. It's Sorathia. I unmute you. हाँ हित बोलिए.
Which of these is an example of a chemical change? Depending on fluid.
आपका ठीक से आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बेटा, फिर से एक बार बोलिए.
Which this is an of a chemical change? Refining of food, tearing of paper, melting of glaciers, breaking of a glass.
Okay. Now anyone have answer given? केमिकल चेंज का बोल रहे हैं वो. कौन सा नीचे जो है वो?
This is first.
Miss Nancy and another gave the right answer. Very good. Keep it up. Ripening of food. That is the correct answer. Chemical change. Now I would like to unmute another children. Randomly I select anyone of you. Arav Patel. Arav Patel. Yes, Arav Patel. Represent your question in front of all.
Second.
Is here Arav Patel?
Yes, sir. 1 second. सर क्वेश्चन बैंक के निकलेंगे.
मैंने आज ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन यूज There are no.
Yes, sir.
Please represent your question in front of all. I think is there or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
बोलिए बेटा आपका क्वेश्चन. No. Okay. Now next one, I would like to unmute Srushti Kaladia. Srushti Kaladia. I unmute you.
Okay, sir.
The decrease in the size of matter on cooling is called dash. Option A, expansion. Option B, contraction. Option C, melting. Option D, all of these.
Now let us see the answer. Who has given first answer? Contraction is the correct answer. नैन्सी परसुमिया ने पहला आंसर दे दिया है. वेरी गुड, फाइन, गुड आंसर गिवन बाय नैन्सी. फाइन. Now I would like
one more.
One more, but we have to take सबका टर्न लेना है इसलिए. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now Trisha, your question. I unmute you.
Yes.
Already.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Yes, sir. Which of these weight shows the heaviest object? First, 1 kg, 200. Sir, 1 minute.
आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है बेटा.
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Repeat your question. Is there Trisha?
Yes, sir. Which of these weight shows the heaviest object? 1 gram, 200 gram, 2000 gram, 1 kg.
Okay, now who said the first answer in chat? 2000 gram is the correct answer. Heath has given the correct answer. Very good. And following by all the children, they have given the correct answer. Fine. Keep it up. Now next, I would like to
उसके पहले मैंने
उसके
दिया.
बाद का जो टर्न है वो देना चाहूंगा. नेक्स्ट है नैन्सी परसुमिया. नैन्सी, I unmute you. Represent your question in front
Okay.
of all. Is there Nancy?
Which of these following is measured by kilometer, meter, centimeter, or millimeter?
Again, you represent.
Options
Again,
are
you speak.
A1 option mass, B1 option temperature, and C1 option length, and D1 option capacity.
Okay, let us see now who has given the right answer. Again, you repeat the question, beta. There is a length, Nancy.
Okay, sir. Which of these is following to measure kilometer, meter, centimeter, or millimeter?
क्या मेजर करना है बेटा?
Which of these is used to measure kilometer, meter, liter, or millimeter? Option A, mass. Option B, capacity. Option C, length. And option D is temperature.
Yes, that is correct answer. Length is the correct answer. Very good. Keep it up, all of you. Now, I would like to unmute the next children. Sandhya Jalaria. Yes, Sandhya. Represent your question in.
Yes, sir. Which of the following will you use to measure short length? Kilometer, liter, kilogram, and none of this.
Yes. Now, anyone? I would like to see chat. लेकिन उस टाइम देखो आप पहले ऑप्शन क्या दिया है. That you have to see. सेंटीमीटर ऑप्शन दिया है क्या? फिर से अगेन बोलो ऑप्शन और क्वेश्चन फिर से अगेन रिपीट द क्वेश्चन.
मीटर, kilometer, liter, kilogram, and none of this.
None of this is the correct answer. None of this is the correct answer. Very good. The first answer given by none of this by Naitik. That is the correct answer. Option ध्यान से देखिए, बाद में ही लिखिए. Okay, fine. Okay. Now I would like to किसी एक का कुछ मैसेज आ रहा है. किसका आ रहा है मैसेज? I have doubt. Dhyani Borania. Dhyani Borania. I unmute you first. Dhyani Borania. एक मिनट बेटा. Let us see. मैं फाइन कर रहा हूँ. देन आपको मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ. ध्यानी बोरोनिया. हाँ बोलो ध्यानी बोरोनिया. रिप्रेजेंट योर क्वेश्चन.
सर मेरी आईडी में ध्यानी बोरनिया लिखा, पर मेरा नाम ध्यानी बोरनिया नहीं है. मेरा नाम आकांक्षी बोरनिया है. वो मेरे सिस्टर का नाम है.
अच्छा ठीक है, आकांक्षी बोरनिया. ठीक है,
ओके.
बोलो आपका क्वेश्चन. बोलिए क्वेश्चन, बोलिए आपका. रिप्रेजेंट योर क्वेश्चन.
सर एक्सरसाइज नहीं ना?
नहीं, कोई भी आपको अपना क्वेश्चन निकाला होगा जो एमसीक्यूज है और फिलअप पूछ सकते हो अंदर से, टेक्स्ट बुक में से या कहीं से भी. आपने जो अंदर से भी पूछ सकते हो. ओके
ओके सर.
You make the question yesterday.
Sir, I speak a very short answer question.
शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है, क्योंकि एमसीक्यू टेस्ट है, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन है. दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन आस्क फिल अप एमसीक्यूज. आपने जो क्वेश्चन निकाला है उसमें से पूछो. क्वेश्चन आंसर है नहीं, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप का आपका टेस्ट है बेटा.
सर मैं एमसीक्यू में से पूछूं?
हाँ तो आपने निकाला नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है, पूछो.
निकाल दिया.
रिप्रेजेंट योर क्वेश्चन.
Which of these unit of consonants is correct? Conversation is correct. Which of these unit of conversation is correct?
कन्वेंशन नहीं होता है बेटा, कहीं मिस्टेक कर रहे हो आप बोलने में. कन्वर्जन होगा.
हाँ. Yes sir. Which of these unit of conversion is correct?
हाँ बोलिए. ऑप्शन.
Option 100 milligram is equal to 10 gram. B option 10 milligram, 10,000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. Yeah, second option 100 gram is equal to 1000 gram. And D option 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg.
Okay, now let us see who is given the correct answer. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. That is the correct answer. That already given by first Angel and following children. Very good. Keep it up, children, all of you. Now, next one, I would like to unmute next children. Pransu Gami. Pransu, bolo. What's your question? Represent your question.
A process by which water changes into water vapor is called dash. Evaporation, melting, condensation, solidification.
Okay. Now, correct answer is evaporation. Now, you see, The Nancy Persuvia has given the answer first, your person, and following by the students. Very good. Keep it up. Now, next one. I would like to unmute next children. Nirva Sanja. बोलो निर्वा. आपका आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ बोलिए. तो आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है बेटा. आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है बेटा. Okay, now Kavya Kagatra, and then we will take Nirva. Kavya Kagatra, please ask your question, represent your question. I unmute you. Kavya Kagatra. Is there Kavya Kagatra? No. Okay, now Ian. बोलो. Please represent your question. No. Naitik.
Sir, I don't know.
Naitik. Naitik, please represent your question.
Yes, sir.
Method then change one state to another.
Again you tell your question, beta. Repeat your question.
Meter dash change it from one state to another.
Now anyone? Let us see the chat. Can fill up.
Yes,
Voice
sir.
is cutting. Yes, that is the correct answer. Now, next one. I unmute any one of you. Samarth Kadiwar. Yes, Samarth. Represent your question in front of all. Is there Samarth? No. Now, Riddhi Solankar. Riddhi Solankar, I unmute you.
What is the standard unit of capacity? Option A. Option A is meter. Option B, kilogram. Option C, liter. And option D, all of this.
Okay, good. Now, anyone? The correct answer is liter. Is already given by some of the boys. Who has given the answer first. Very good. Keep it up. And following students, सबने भी आंसर सही लिखा है. Very good. Fine. Keep it up, all of you. Now, next, I would like to unmute next turn. This turn I have to see. Nandini Rana. Nandini Rana is there. वीर मनीष कड़ीवार. वीर मनीष कड़ीवार बोलो.
Yes, sir.
वीर मनीष बोलिए क्वेश्चन. You represent your question.
Yes, sir.
Please represent your question.
Which
Are you
of
there?
these is the unit of temperature? Option A, degree F. Option B, gram. Option C, liter. Option D, centimeter.
Again, you repeat the question.
Which of these is the unit temperature? Unit of temperature. Option A. Option A, degree F. Option B, gram. Option C, liter. Option D, centimeter.
The correct answer is degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. Up. Very good, all of the children. Degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. That is the correct answer. Fine. Now, next one. I would like to ask the next children. Next children now. Agilan कोई है? Yes, that I meet you. Agilan कौन? Please represent your question. Then next one now. Here. Now Nandini, please represent your question.
Heating a substance causes it to A. expand, B. contract, C. become smaller, D. stay the same.
Heating करेगा तो क्या होगा? Expand. Right now I would like to see the chat. Yes, Joy ने पहले आंसर दे दिया है, उसके पहले नैन्सी और सुनिया ने दे दिया है. Very good, Nancy. Give it up, all of you children that have given the correct answer. Okay. Next, now I would like to unmute Man Sirvi, बोलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बोलो. What is your question?
Solution of sugar and water. What is the solid? Option A, sugar. Option B, water. Option C, salt. Or option D, none of these.
Anyone from chat? Sugar is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Now Himanshi has given, उसके पहले भी आंसर दे दिया है बहुत सारे बच्चों ने. Good. Here, Marwania. Good. Keep it up. Now next one, I would like to unmute next children. अभी दूसरे जो चिल्ड्रन है उसकी टर्न, जो बाकी रह गए हैं उसकी टर्न हम सेकंड पीरियड जो हमारा आने वाला है उसमें ले लेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाकी जो रह गए हैं जिसका टर्न आ गया उसका नहीं. अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय एवरीवन. हैव ए नाइस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय एवरीवन.
Bye. Bye, sir. 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 Bye, sir.